Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to show you something that takes Odoo CRM automation to the next level. Imagine being able to control your entire Odoo CRM with simple, natural language commands. No more clicking through endless forms. No more repetitive manual entries. Just type what you want and let automation do the heavy lifting. Let me introduce you to my latest N8N workflow, MCP Server for Odoo. If you've ever struggled with managing things with Odoo, this workflow is about to become your best friend. Let's jump in and see what it can do. Here's the heart of the automation, the MCP Server trigger. Whenever you send a chat message, the workflow springs into action. And of course, you can integrate it with your other sales and marketing tools using webhooks and APIs. Now look at this organized layout. We have three main sections: contacts, opportunities, and notes. Each section gives you full control over creating, updating, deleting, and retrieving data. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code. Let me give you a quick demo. Suppose you want to create a new opportunity for a website development project with expected revenue. All you have to do is send a natural language command, like create a new opportunity named AI Automation Project with expected revenue 50,000 USD. Watch what happens. The assistant quickly asks for a couple of key details: contact email, phone number, and any internal notes. Just reply with the info. And boom, the opportunity is created instantly inside Odoo. Here's a summary of what gets created: opportunity ID and name, expected revenue, contact details, internal notes. It's fast, it's accurate, and it feels almost magical. But that's not all. You can automate your contacts and notes the very same way. Want to create or update a contact? Just ask. Need to fetch all opportunities or notes? Type your command and you'll get the answer in seconds. Every step is powered by AI and N8N's robust automation engine, making your business operations smoother and smarter. So, whether you're running a small business, consulting, or just love automating your workflows, this setup is bound to save you hours every day. Ready to empower your Odoo CRM? Download the workflow, customize it for your needs, and let automation work its magic. If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an automation hack. Drop a comment below if you want the source or have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more automation ideas for your business.